Hello, students. How are you? Today we are going to start Chapter 8 Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. And the topics we are going to learn in this chapter are Microsoft PowerPoint presentation and its features, how to start Microsoft PowerPoint, main components of Microsoft PowerPoint window, how to add text in a placeholder, how to create, save, close and exit and open a presentation, and how to add a new slide, how we can add pictures to the title and content slide, and running a slideshow. So, first of all, I would like to introduce you with what is Microsoft PowerPoint. So students, Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation graphics software developed by Microsoft. It is an integral part of the Microsoft Office suite of applications. PowerPoint is used to create and display beautiful presentations that include text, pictures, charts, diagrams, audio, video, and animated special effects. So, first of all, let's understand what is a presentation. A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic order that displays the information along with graphics, sounds, and animation. Let's know what is a slide. A slide is like a page of a PowerPoint presentation that displays a brief information about a topic. How is a PowerPoint presentation helpful? A PowerPoint presentation is widely used to effectively present views and ideas. People in the business world used it to present information about their company or products in seminars and meetings. Teachers use presentation to prepare their lesson plans. By using PowerPoint presentation, you can create a visual impact on the audience. Okay, do you know students? To view the presentation of a particular slide, open that slide and press Shift plus F5 key combination. Let's learn how to start Microsoft PowerPoint. To start Microsoft PowerPoint, follow the given steps. Click on the Start button, choose All Programs, click on Microsoft Office and select Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Students, on starting Microsoft PowerPoint, a blank presentation named Presentation 1 appears on the screen, which contains various components like File tab, Quick Access Toolbar, tabs, ribbon, groups, placeholders, slides pane, zoom slider, status bar, notes pane, outline tab and slides tab. Students, let's understand the various components of Microsoft PowerPoint. First of all, title bar. It displays the name of the presentation on which you are currently working. Quick Access Toolbar. It contains the frequently used commands. You can place this toolbar either above or below the ribbon. To do so, click on the drop-down arrow at the end of the toolbar and select Show Below the Ribbon option. Now, to add items to the Quick Access toolbar, right-click on any item on the ribbon and click on Add to Quick Access toolbar option. Next is ribbon. The ribbon is placed at the top area of the document. It displays several tabs such as File, Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, etc. Each tab contains commands which are organized into different groups. Okay, students, where do you find the ribbon? You have to find the answer of this query. Now, let's understand File tab. The Office button of Microsoft Office 2007 has been replaced by the File tab. This menu allows us to create a new presentation, open an existing presentation, save, print, send, or close the presentation. Next is Slides pane. It is on the left side of the window where you can work directly on individual slides. Next is Slides tab. It shows a thumbnail version of each slide. If you want to see the large view of any thumbnail, click on it. The selected slide appears in the Slides pane. You can add, delete, duplicate, and rearrange slides in the Slides tab. Okay, let's know more, students. What is a slide layout? A slide layout refers to the general arrangements of various components on the slide. Now, next one is Outline tab. The Outline tab displays the text content of each slide. You can edit your text directly in the outline view. Next is Notes pane. In the Notes pane, you can type your personal notes about the current slide. During a slideshow, this section is not visible to the audience, but a presenter can only view and read his explanation about the slide from this pane. Students, let's know more. Pressing the Alt key displays the shortcut key for each tab. To further open any particular tab and its commands, press the Alt key along with the specific shortcut key. For example, Alt plus H key combination opens the Home tab. Now, let's understand how to create a new presentation. To create a new presentation, follow the given steps. Click on the File tab, New option. The available templates and themes pane appears. Choose the blank presentation option. Click on Create button. Simply double-click the blank presentation option. A new presentation with a blank slide will open in PowerPoint screen. The default slide that appears when you create a new presentation is Title Slide Layout, which displays the dotted rectangular boxes called placeholders. To add a new slide, click on the New Slide button on the Home tab. To change the layout of the active slide, click on the Layout button and select the desired layout from the list. Students, do you know if you want to create a new presentation, what is the shortcut key? Yes, Ctrl plus N is the shortcut key to create a new presentation. Okay, now next is how to add text into a placeholder. To add text inside the placeholder, follow these steps. Click to add title, placeholder, The cursor appears in the text box. Type Computer Department. Click inside the Click to Add subtitle placeholder. Type Learning the Fun. You will notice the entered text appears on the slide. Let's know more, students. What is a placeholder? Placeholders are the dotted or hatch marked borders that are part of most slide layouts. These boxes can contain title and body text or objects such as charts, tables, pictures, etc. Now, let's learn how to save a presentation. It is important to save your work at regular intervals so as to avoid data loss because of any hardware or power failure. So, follow these steps to save a presentation. Click on the Save button or select the File tab, Save option. The Save As dialog box appears. Specify the name My Presentation in the File Name text box. Click on the Save button. The presentation will be saved with the name My Presentation and with an extension .pptx. Students, you know what is a shortcut key to save your presentation? Yes, Ctrl+S. And what is the shortcut key to run a presentation? F5. Now, let's learn how to close and exit a presentation. For closing a presentation, click on the File tab, Close option. The presentation will be closed, but the PowerPoint application window will remain open. Now, how to exit a presentation? To close or exit PowerPoint application, click on the Close button on the title bar or click on the File tab and select Cross, that is Exit option. The Microsoft PowerPoint application will be closed. Now, let's learn how to open a presentation. There are 3 ways to open an existing presentation, as shown below. Click on the File tab, Open option. Click on the Open button on the Quick Access toolbar. Following either of the 2 methods, 1 or 2, will open the dialog box as shown in the figure. Select any file, example, Activities of the month as shown in the given figure and click on the Open button. Using method 3, as shown in figure, the Browse dialog box will appear. Now select the file and click on the Open button. Now let's learn how to add a new slide. Students, while creating a presentation, you may need to insert new slides in it. You can add any number of slides to your presentation as needed. Whenever we add a new slide in our presentation, we must select its layout first. Open an existing presentation. Example, My Presentation. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the New Slide button in the Slides group on the Home tab. A list of available slide layouts is displayed. Click on the desired layout. PowerPoint will add a new slide with the selected layout in the center of the PowerPoint window. The new slide can also be seen in the Slides tab on the left. Now, the shortcut key to insert a new slide is Ctrl+M. Now, let's learn adding pictures to the title and content slide. Insert a title and content slide to the presentation. Click on the Insert tab and select the picture option from the Images group. The Insert Picture dialog box opens. Choose the folder where the picture is stored. Select the picture by clicking it or by typing the file name. Click on the Insert button. The picture will appear on the slide. Now, let's learn what is a slideshow. Microsoft PowerPoint provides the option of combining all the slides of a presentation into a slideshow. It is just like the pictures in a photo album. It displays all the slides in the presentation one by one on the screen. To run a slideshow, follow the given steps. Click on the Slideshow tab and select either of the following options in the Start Slideshow group. From beginning, select the option Starts the slideshow from the first slide. If you select the option From current slide, starts the slideshow from the slide you are currently working on. And if you select Custom Slideshow, it displays only the slides you select. Custom Slideshow, it displays only the slides. Now Broadcast Slideshow. This feature broadcasts the slideshow to remote viewers who can watch it through web browser.